So we just got to Disney's Blizzard Beach. How hot is it, Britt?
It was 91 last night.
91, which is awesome.
I feel like this was supposed to be.
Yeah, but you moved your leg.
Oh, your leg is right here.
Nope. Now you're safe. Hello.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Not Gushmore.
Fruit Gushers. We're gonna be turning. Getting ready to go on tin boats? Tin boats. Two. I can't see. The water in there.
For some reason, I completely forgot that we were getting water. And I'm like, oh, it's cold.
That was fun. Look, hidden Mickey, but it's not so hidden. So we got our Runoff Rabbits. Have any of you seen the Way Back? It's like, you know, kind of comedy drama at a water park. I love movies like Adventureland, Zombieland, The Way Back, anything that has to do with the theme park or water park. Yeah. Wow! Smile, Britt. Look at the camera. Whoa!
I can pull me up in one.
Yep. What's that for? The brake just pushed us in the water. You flipped. My stomach, Britt. You're going really fast. Wow. Yeah, we need to fall on this side. Come on, get up. I was like, ugh. And then my baby again. Walk around the park like this. So Hollywood Studios is similar to California Adventure, I would say. It's really cool. Because even the front looks like California Adventure, the entrance way. Yeah, the entrance way. I'm tempted. We haven't really bought any souvenirs yet or ate here because we've been packing our own food and our own drinks. It's just tempting because I want a turkey leg so bad. So we left Hollywood Studios because it was really crowded. Now we're in Old Town Kissimmee. Pretty cool. What do you think, Britt? Crowded. And it's crowded because it's Saturday night. Give me a sign. Kiss me, baby, one more time. Woo! What's that So, she was awesome. She was like, hit me, baby, one more time.
Some lady walked by and she's like, get off the stage.
Get off the stage!
What a bitch.
Let's get a yeehaw. There you go. I don't want to go. Hold on tight, though, that basket. Spin you around like a hurricane, up, down, all the way around. Bounce you around like a big pong ball, going every which way. Spin you around like a frog with thunder. You just might make it, you just might beat 'em. Hold on tight, now here comes the foul count. That's our 10, 9, 8, 7, 8. Spin the cowboy.
Where we going, Britt? We're gonna Wawa, the bird store. That's my ride. You like my ride? So we're in a Wawa. Huh? Oh, liquor store. Let's come over here. 60-minute IPA. What is this? Was it bars? Yeah. Watch this, guys. So we're at Tex-Mex. And look at this random picture. I'm guessing it's a Tex-Mex. Yeah, it is a Tex-Mex back there. Showing off his ride. He got a nice ride. What'd you get, Britt?
Supreme nachos and a strawberry margarita. And I didn't get ID.
And she didn't.
I got ID. Because he didn't sign your credit card. Because I didn't sign my credit card.
I really don't think it's strong enough